In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between a business using a traditional voicemail out of hours versus an AI receptionist or an AI voice agent that can answer calls 24/7 whilst collecting information from the caller, answering questions relevant to that business, and also able to do live transfer of calls to humans and also take bookings. So today I have selected for our test a local dentist on the Gold Coast called Mint Dental, and they're closed now. It's after 5 o'clock, so I'm going to give them a quick call and just see what their current voicemail setup looks like.
Thank you for calling Mint Dental. We are sorry we missed your call. Our opening hours are Monday to Thursday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.
All right, so a nice voicemail as they go, but pretty much as expected. A little bit of data that's relevant about opening hours and an option to leave a voicemail. So if you worked in that business, you're a receptionist in that business, you'd come in the next day to maybe some voicemails if I chose to leave one. And no real structured data that's easy to access. You'd have some more work to do, listen to those voicemails and figure some things out, whilst you've probably got a queue of people out the door ready for appointments. So what we've done is we've built a AI voice agent or an AI receptionist for Mint Dental, and I'm just going to call that receptionist now just to show you the difference. All right.
Hi, this is Katie, the digital receptionist for Mint Dental. How can I assist you today?
Oh, hey, Katie. I just had a question. Do you guys support the CDBS scheme?
Before we go further, just in case we get disconnected, I will quickly grab your details so the team can reach you. What is your first name?
Oh, it's Chris.
All right, so you said Chris, right? And your last name?
It's Blakley.
Just double checking, that was Blakley, right? And the best phone number to reach you on?
It's 0400 123 456.
Let me confirm your number, 0400 123 456, right? And to your question, yes, we do support the Child Dental Benefit Schedule, CDBS. We also accept all health funds, and we can claim rebates on the spot where applicable. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Oh, no, that's all. Thank you for confirming.
No worries, Chris. Have a great day.
All right, so the alternative there is, and I'll throw it up on screen, is now that business and this configuration would have an email summary come through, and that email summary, as shown on the screen, will give them a bit of a call summary from the AI, details about the caller, and a link to listen to the recording. So the business can then choose to follow up and maybe make a booking if they wish. In this scenario, we don't have booking integration set up, but then they've also got a spreadsheet detailing all the calls where they can mark them as action required or not. So they're not leaving any potential customers unserved. These solutions are really scalable and cost effective. During the call there, what you saw was the agent accessing some information. So we gave the agent access to the website, and it's referenced this page and this information here. When I refer to the CDBS scheme, it knows that it's the Child Dental Benefit Schedule. And then it's also accessed a blog post detailing that information. So it was able to answer based on real business information. So if this is of interest, you would like to learn more, I'm Chris, the founder at Results Engine. We're an AI agency, and I've been helping businesses with technology for over 20 years. And at Results Engine, we are helping businesses adopt AI and practical AI solutions. So if you'd like to get in touch, we'd love to chat more. Thank you.